So behind me right now, I just saw some geese over there, or some duck, and that's always things to be mindful about when I'm walking around, is looking for food resources. And I'm sure hunting regulations and stuff wouldn't allow me to do anything right now, but in a survival situation, it's good to scope out the area. Now I know that there is waterfowl here, and that could possibly give me an opportunity in the future for some food procurement. All right, so in the spirit of food procurement, I've just been walking around and looking at different dead stumps and so forth. I just wanted to demonstrate multiple ways that you could get food. So I saw the geese over there, and talked about that would be a viable option to try and hunt that as a meat source. But if you're really desperate for food, your body needs protein. So I've been looking around, and I realize it's really cold out here. But for the past week or so, the temperature hasn't been too bad. So I thought that maybe some of the bugs or insects might be moving around deeper inside of wood. So I've just been kind of cutting into some things around here. Didn't have much luck until I got here. So I was chopping on this side a little bit, and I saw, looks like some grub worms or something. All right, so I actually found a mother lode. There are a few of these in here. So the outside of this was fairly wet and waterlogged, but once I started cutting into it, the inner part of it was fairly dry. So I don't know if that's not showing up too well because of the lighting. So I got some grubs in here. And I've actually only been out here for about a day. So by no means am I starving. By no means do I, have to do anything with these. But I figure being alone and being in the wild for a long time, desperation might kick in. So I might as well get used to it. So there's the first little bug right there. Oh, that just had a flavorful explosion in my mouth. It's like Pop Rocks and Bad Decisions. Well, bottoms up, guys. Okay, that one's bitter. So what's my final assessment? I'm going to go to the store and buy a steak. That would be my first option. But if I'm out here, if I'm in the wild, if I'm hungry, I need protein. So that's definitely a viable option.